Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the snow effect in Heartopia Winter Frost season. Okay, during the Winter Frost season, the effect will be like this, guys. It's snowy outside, and I'm going to show you how you can turn off the snowy effect. The step is very simple. You just need to go to the setting. You're going to select the watch menu and open up the settings, and here you can go to the graphic setting and scroll down, and then you'll be able to find the snow effects. And if you want to remove the snow effects, just turn it off, and the appearance or the vibe, the weather will be back to its normal weather. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn off the snow effect in Heartopia game during the Winter Frost season. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!